Welcome back. Today I have an autumn bowl perfect for your fall cravings. Alright, welcome back. Today's recipe is a fall recipe. This is called an autumn bowl because these ingredients are, seasonal in autumn. Alright? And I thought autumn bowl was a cool name to call it. So, as you can see, I'm getting everything together. Did the mushrooms, now I'm doing the peppers. Now you can also roast them in your oven or on your grill outside. I chose to do it right here because it was faster. And look at that. You want to cover it, let it sit for a while. And if the burnt skin bothers you, just move it with your fingers. That's it. Easy money. Now, please don't use water because it's going to take away your flavor. Alright, now we're going to move on to the quinoa. Quinoa is absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, all these flavors come together and create something just out of this world. It's packed with flavor, packed with autumn goodness, packed with all these vitamins and nutrients. And look at that. It kills the quinoa came together nicely. Now we're going to make the fig vinaigrette. Alright. This right here puts it over the top. You got the tiger figs. I like the tiger figs over the black figs. They have I feel like it's a little bit better flavor. And you want to put everything in the blender and you look at that. And I went ahead and put it all in a little mason jar until I was ready to use. Now I'm bringing together the arugula, quinoa, the mushrooms, bell peppers. Alright, you got the sweet potatoes, and now we have the apple. You want to cut that up nicely, and when you put it together on your bowl, alright? And then, look at that, all those autumn apples, avocado, and our dressing. I'm telling you, when you put that in the bowl and mix it together, you just don't know. It's a great taste. It's all the fall flavors in your mouth that's a party. Alright, thank you once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have much more content coming from you. Have a great day.